What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. Clearly we are in the M2 today. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm just getting over being sick, so I'm gonna keep it short and simple. We're gonna be lowering the M2 today. I got the KW kit, which I'm gonna show you in the trunk. Let me grab it. Yeah, the car's filthy, don't worry. Gonna get nice clean. Alright, so open this box. So we got the KW height adjustable spring kit. Didn't want to go full coilover, just didn't really feel like spending 4 grand on the setup. I'll close this box. Yeah, so that's the KW kit I got. Just wanted to show you the quick height before, so that's the rear height. And front height. So this kit says it'll get you a 1.2 inch drop. Hopefully. I'm gonna max it out, so hope for the best. Just wanted to get some shots over here. And then yeah, we're gonna be going there. So it's going to BMW for the recall that they have. It's like one of the ABS lights. Not a big deal, but get it done there, and we'll be back soon. Also, I have a lot of content that's already been recorded. I have a few shows already that's waiting to be edited, basically. As I said, I was sick, still getting over it, so I wasn't really in the mood to edit anything, but keep an eye out for that in the near future. Yeah, this video is going to be going out before those ones, just because it's a lot easier to edit. It's going to be a short video just to show you basically the before and after. And then I'll get into those ones as well. Yeah, hopefully this kit gets me a good drop. I'm just hoping to close up that wheel gap, obviously. And then we can look into a nice set of wheels. All right, I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna be late if I don't go now, so let's get over there. All right, we are back a couple days later. We had a little storm, so there's the corner of the M2 over there. But yeah, car's back. And I just want to say how happy I am with this drop. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 1.2 inch drop. Honestly, the wheel gap is like perfect. Like, I just need some wheels, and yeah, let's get into it. So that's what it looks like, and honestly, as I was saying, I'm so happy with the drop. I'll get you a detail shot. Don't mind the wheels, they're gonna be dirty, but front fitment, one finger, doesn't even go in really. It's perfect, like it's sitting right above at the top of the tire. So perfect drop in the front. See some wheels obviously, and then in the rear, perfect. So again, one finger. Just hits the top of the tire, so perfect look overall in my opinion. It did just go in on Tuesday, so it might even just settle a bit more, maybe even just the rear. It did settle a lot from the first install, so I wouldn't be surprised if it gets just a bit lower. But yeah, overall super happy with it. It's gonna be a quick video. Just wanted to show the before and after. Honestly, rides like completely stock. That's the one good thing about this kit is obviously you kept the stock suspension in a sense. You just swapped out the springs and they're adjustable, so it's a win-win situation. And it's from KW, so they make good stuff. With that being said, there is a slight, like, not popping noise, but like a creak noise when you turn the wheel. I've already been on the forums, it's very well known, so it's a little unfortunate from KW. There is a fix to it, so I might get around to doing that. You gotta take out the front struts and take out the top and just lube the top bolt and put it back in apparently, so we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but maybe it'll go away hopefully. But yeah, overall I think it looks great. I'm looking into wheels. I do have a set in mind. I'm not sure, it's a little different, but I like being different, so who knows. For now I'm probably gonna see if I have some spacers at home from my M4, and if I do, hopefully gonna be able to throw those on, because definitely has some room there. You can probably get like a 8 to 10, maybe even a 12 mil in the front, probably a 10 though. And then in the back, let's run over here, straighten up the camera here. That's easily like another, probably 10 mil again. Probably 10 mil all around. I think I've seen that before with the M2s. So I'm gonna see if I have something. I know for sure I have 12s, but I think that might be too aggressive, but I'll definitely try it out. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick video, show you what it's like. Back end looks so much better now. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think and what should be next. I'm thinking, honestly, I was gonna say tint the windows a bit darker, but I like it, so for now. I usually go dark, but we'll leave it there. I think wheels have to be next. But I do have some carbon goodies, so stay tuned for that in the next few videos. And we will get into that. I got Riri hiding in there. She doesn't even know. Oh, there she is.
Hiding.
What?
I'm not hiding.
Do they have the ring?
Yeah.
Where?
Sure will.
Haha, told you.
Mommy's
Okay, bye.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. One thing that's crazy is the size of these brakes. You really can't see it on camera, it doesn't really do it justice, but these are 19s. And don't mind the dirt, but that's the fitment on them. And even the rear. Crazy big for a rear brake too. Again, 19, so. But yeah, super happy with how it looks. Drives completely like stock, so which is what I want. Just a little bit more stiff, because obviously the springs are a bit stiffer rating. But that's it, guys. Love this color. Jeez. As I said earlier, just let me know in the comments what you think should be next for the M2. We do have a few things planned already, and hopefully my Civic gets fixed and we get back on the track. I have it at the shop right now, hoping to fix the coolant issue that I've been dealing with, so we'll get to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. I appreciate your guys' support. If you do want to see more of this content and local Toronto, I guess, area content, just hit that subscribe button and we'll be out here this summer. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.